Let's make some yummy, crispy, crunchy chin chin. So this is one recipe that I use to make most of my batter, especially when I'm making buns, chin chin and the likes. So I'm just going to be showing you how I would make this. In this recipe, I'm using 3 cups of flour, 100 grams of butter, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I'm going to add a pinch of salt, roughly 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of nutmeg is enough. And you go ahead with your sugar. For sugar, I'm using half cup of sugar. You can use lesser sugar, you can use more sugar depending on how sweet you want your chin chin to come out. So I'm just going to mix all the dry ingredients together, ensure that the butter is totally mixed into the flour. I'm going to do this for a little bit more. Then I'm going to go ahead and whisk I'll break 2 eggs into this. I made a well in between my in between my dry ingredients and added these 2 eggs. Then I went in with my milk. For milk, I'm using 3 crown milk. I'll go ahead and mix this up very well. And at this point, after mixing it up, I realized I needed more water. So I'm starting strong with just 1 cup of water, and I feel like this water is going to be enough to knead this into a proper dough. So I kept on mixing as much as I can before now transferring this to my work table. So after mixing for a while, I realized it was very thick. My spoon was not taking it anymore, and I had to dip my hand into it. And here is the outcome. It has become a dough. I'm going to massage this dough carefully till I will keep kneading till I feel like it is okay. And I think one of the ways you can test if your dough is okay is by putting your finger in your dough. So I will keep doing this, massaging my dough continuously till I feel like it is okay. Then I'm going to go ahead. Actually, I think I massaged and knead my dough for almost 20 minutes before I went ahead to roll out my dough. Now, one thing you should understand is when you are rolling out your dough, don't let your dough to be too flat, because if it is too flat, it will be breaking and the chin chin would not be it will not be thick enough. So I rolled out my dough. I don't have a rolling pin as I'm just starting my catering journey. Yeah, I'm just learning all of this. So every single thing I learn, I'm coming here to come and show you guys how I made it, and that is why I have this. So I went ahead with my bottle and rolled this out carefully on my work table. Actually, I wanted to roll this in my tray, but I realized that the tray was not doing justice to it. I needed to go to my work table and continue the rolling. So after rolling, I started cutting. I had to leave it at a point for my kids to help me cut everything out, because that is why we have children, right? So they helped me cut everything out, and I went ahead to fry immediately. So I just heated my pan, went in with my hot oil, and I started frying. I let the oil get hot a little bit, then I started frying, and the outcome was a beautiful crunchy chin chin, and we all loved it because it was super milky also. So this was a good recipe. If you want to learn any pastry, you can drop a comment or drop anything, or if you have any advice for me as I embark on this pastry journey. I'm just learning basically everything and how to make pastries all from scratch. I'm no chef. I just love to cook, and I literally just share what I cook for my family here every single day. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, drop a comment, and I would always want to reach and talk to you guys in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate you. Love you. Toodles.